Hello there. That's my first video that I'm going to publish on YouTube. And now I'm going to present you the head unit for the Subaru Forester 2017 and 2018. I bought this unit on China directly from the Belsee, and they sent me here is the opening of the box. Later on I will show you my current head unit that is similar to this one, but this one seems to be far superior, so I'm hoping it will be very good. So let's see. I have to take this off. That's the unboxing. The box is intact, very good condition. Look here, perfect condition, came from China. That's very far from here. Okay, and let's see how it is. Beautiful. Let's check it out. Let's take it off. As I told you, this unit is very similar to the one I have. The finish is from the front is really the same. I think they use the same frame. There must be a place they make in China, and all the head units that are from Subaru Forester 2017, I think they buy from the same place. The connectors here are the same too. Here's the antenna from data. Here is from the power source. I think the connectors here are a bit different. And here is the connection, how it's done, but that doesn't matter right now. Okay, let's see what matters. Okay, this connector here is very important to check if it is from your car or the Forester 2016. They have similar connector to the 2017, but it's different. Look here. As you can see here, this place here, this square here, is bigger than this square here. This connector here is for 2017 and 18. This one is for 16 and below. I don't know when it started to be like this, but I think 2016 is for sure, because I have the head unit I bought on internet. They say it was for 17 when it arrived. I installed, but the connector is different, so I had to cut to make the connections, and I lost the controls from the wheel controls, so that sucks. And I hope this one here make the connections correct, so I won't need to make any extra connections. Here is from the data. I think here is the wheel control, antenna. The antenna goes to this antenna goes to the head unit, and here is where you connect the antenna from the car. Here's the connector from 2016. See, it's very different. It's squared connection. Here is two round connectors. So very, very different. Here is the side from the head unit. Doesn't matter. And camera, reverse camera, and etc. The reverse camera from this head unit, they are used to 12 volts, but the Forester, Subaru Forester, is 5 volts, 6 volts actually. So I had to make a really just a little adjustment. I can show the schematics later. Here is the USB extension, and that's the microphone. Oh, this one is new. I didn't have this microphone on the last unit. There's a plug, microphone, and the green connector should go to the mic in, probably. And more connections. This is the camera in, cam in. This one goes to the camera. I don't know if it's compatible with the camera from Forester, because the Forester camera is different, as I told you. Here is the connector for the GPS, and that's all. So, if you have a Subaru Forester from 2016, you are good, because you have this connection and the other one that's very compatible here. And if you have 2017 and 18, you have this new connector here. That's very important, so you don't have to mess up with the wheel control. Okay, so that's all for now. I'm going to install this unit and see if it works properly.